Hello guys, I hope you all people are doing well. So, in our last videos we talked about energy existence and I gave you some proofs about how to feel the energy and how to see the energy. I hope you have applied that, and in this video I am going to tell you about 5 basic primary sources of energy. There are 5 basic primary sources of energy from where you can get abundant of positive energy. Sometimes it happens that you are not in a good mental state, you are in a negative mental state and you need some positivity in your life, and you don't really prefer to talk with people because sometimes they feel negative too. So these are the sources which are ultimately positive and will not give you negative energy at all. Let's do not waste the time and let's discover the first basic primary source of energy. The first source of energy is sun. Yes, we draw energy automatically from the sun, positive energy from the sun. But we barely notice this fact. Our life cannot exist without sun. Earth cannot exist without sun. So, have you ever noticed the fact that when there are number of cloudy days and when you expose in cloudy days, so the faces of the people seem dull. They are not bright as in usual sunny days. They seem little dull and the people seem little unhappy. Have you ever noticed that? And have you ever seen the fact that when there is a child born and there is a low molecular count, then doctor usually advise the child to expose in the sun rays, by which the sun can give the ultimate metabolism to the child. The sun helps to develop to build the metabolism of the bulbarin count of the child. You can check this on Google, and yes, sun is very abundant source of energy. The second source of energy is earth. One may think that sun is the basic primary source of energy because it generates heat of its own and it is available for all the living organisms, but earth has its own energy as well. Earth generates abundant amount of heat. There is very high temperature at the core of the earth and it is available for the living organisms. Have you ever wondered and have you ever noticed the fact that when there is a wounded bird, have you ever seen a wounded bird which is very wounded and it is healing itself with the help of the earth? It is actually healing itself by rubbing her body in the earth, by rubbing itself in the soil, and it actually gets healed. Have you ever walked barefoot on the earth? Have you ever walked barefoot? And have you ever explored that is a very good feeling when you walk barefoot and you sometimes feel very good, sometimes you feel very positive. So our earth has very abundant amount of positive energy, and that is the beautiful thing to explore. That's why we called earth as our mother earth, because it has the energy to heal itself, as well as we have seen in the COVID-19 time that it is healing itself. The pollution level is very decreased and it has the energy to heal all the living organism present on the earth. So the third basic source of energy is plants and trees. Have you ever noticed the fact that when you are exposed to greenery, or when you go to hill station, or when you sit beside a plant or a tree, you feel ultimately positive. You feel very good. You feel very positive. You have a clear mind to think of new ideas and new pathways, new opportunities in your life. So now, why plants and trees are very high positive source of energy? Because first reason is it is exposed to sun and earth, the both. Almost earth produces the plants and trees. It contains a part of the earth. That's why it is very high in positive energy. I have already explained you about the earth, about the energies of the earth. And the second reason is that it receives the energy of the sun as well. it receives the sun rays as well. Plants do photosynthesis, trees do photosynthesis, you already know about that, and it receives the energy of the photosynthesis from the photosynthesis basically. That's why it is very high source of energy. And when you are feeling lonely and when you are not feeling good, not in a good mental state, then you can sit beside a tree. I do that almost every time. The fourth basic source of energy is air. I accept that air is very polluted nowadays, and air contains a very polluted particles which can harm you as well. And sometimes it is not healthy for you, not at all healthy for you. But the purest form of air is very positive. Air is very pure and positive. How it is pure? Because it is exposed to three things: the earth, the sun, the plants and trees, which are the basic high sources of energy. Basically, air is the ingredient of all three of these things, and air is basically regulated by all three of these things. That is why air is so pure. Just go and notice the air of some green places. Here you are living in a very crowded places, and hence you are not just experiencing the positive things, the positive feeling of the air, but just try and go and feel the energy of the air in some green places, and you will actually feel very good. So that was the fourth source of energy. And the fifth source of energy is the flowing water. It contains a very high positive energy as well, as it is also exposed with the sun. It contains the energy of the sun. It is physically attached by the earth as well, and I would not suggest the stagnant water because it contains the diseased energies. It contains the disease energy because there are very microorganisms living in the stagnant water. So basically stagnant water is not at all preferred. The flowing water is preferred, and you can sit beside a flowing water. You can sit beside a lake or a jharna, near a jharna, and you can feel some positivity. You can try this and you can let me know. You can let me know all the things that I have told you, all the primary five sources of energy, that you felt some positivity or not. After that, you can tell me anything, you can ask me anything. I am here for you. You can tell me in the comment section as well. So, bye bye. Take care.